Hey there, foodies. Welcome back to Fork and Flavor. I'm Zhara, and today, we're diving into a timeless classic, the mouthwatering cheeseburger. Get ready to savor the perfect blend of juicy beef, melted cheese, and all the fixings. Let's get started. Step 1. Gather your ingredients. For this delicious cheeseburger, you'll need fresh ground beef, 80% lean, 20% fat, hamburger buns, sliced cheese, cheddar, American, or your favorite, lettuce, tomato, onion, sliced, pickles, ketchup and mustard, salt and pepper, cooking oil. Step 2. Shape and season the patties. Start by dividing the ground beef into equal portions, about 1/3 to 1/2 pound each. Gently shake them into patties, being careful not to overwork the meat. Season both sides generously with salt and pepper. Step 3. Heat the grill or skillet. Heat your grill or skillet over medium-high heat. You want it nice and hot to get that perfect sear on the patties. Step 4. Cook the patties. Place the patties on the grill or skillet. Let them cook for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side for medium rare to medium doneness. Don't press them down with a spatula. That'll release all the flavorful juices. Step 5. Add the cheese. Once your patties are almost cooked to your preferred doneness, place a slice of cheese on each patty. Cover them briefly to allow the cheese to melt beautifully. Step 6. Toast the buns. While the cheese is melting, cut your hamburger buns in half and lightly toast them on the grill or in a separate skillet. This will add a nice crunch and prevent the buns from getting soggy. Step 7. Assemble the burger. Now comes the fun part, assembling your masterpiece. Start by placing a lettuce leaf on the bottom bun. Then, stack on your cheesy patty. Add a slice of tomato, some onion rings, and a couple of pickles. Top it off with ketchup and mustard to your liking. Step 8. Enjoy your creation. And there you have it, a classic cheeseburger that's bursting with flavor. The juicy patty, the melted cheese, and the fresh toppings all come together for a mouthwatering experience. Time to take a big bite and savor the perfection. Thank you for joining me on this culinary adventure. Remember, cooking is all about expressing yourself, so feel free to customize your burger with your favorite ingredients. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Fork and Flavor for more delicious creations. Until next time, happy cooking!